I enjoy things running like a well-oiled machine should. I love the analytics, the technical mindset that you need. Anything that I can do to improve how a machine runs or how it operates, I enjoy. We use a lot of data that comes off the machinery from trucks, loaders and drills, and we go through that data to see if we can value add to the customer, whether that be through increased production or fault finding to see if we can improve product for them. If we can pick up something that may potentially be a fault, we can save them from that machine effectively shutting down midway through its run and having to either be towed out and repaired. We can give them the information beforehand to say, hey, you may have a problem coming up here. They check it out in a scheduled time and it keeps production flowing. When you work with a good team and you have a good team environment, it makes the day easier. It's a good feeling knowing that Sandvik's skill set has allowed that customer to progress with where they're going.